If your Anker Soundcore K20i has no sound on the left or right, or one side sounds louder or quieter than the other, it can be really frustrating. The good news is, most of these issues are easy to fix. Let's get both sides working properly again. First, put both earbuds back in the charging case. Close the lid and wait about 20 seconds. This helps refresh the connection between both earbuds. Now take them out again and test the sound. Still having the issue? Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Tap on Soundcore K20i, then disconnect or forget the device. Now, reconnect it again manually. Play audio and check both sides. If one side is still not working, it could be a phone setting issue. Go to Settings and search for Mono Audio. Check the audio balance slider and set it exactly in the middle. If it's shifted left or right, one earbud will sound quieter or silent. If nothing worked, do a reset. First, unpair the K20i from your phone. Then, take both earbuds out of the case. Press and hold the touch area on both earbuds for about 8 to 10 seconds. You'll notice a reset response. Now, place them back in the case, close the lid, then open it again. Finally, pair them like it's the first time. In most cases, one of these fixes solves the issue instantly. If it still doesn't work, it may be a hardware issue with one earbud. Thanks for watching Fix 369. See you in the next one.